So let me get my thing going. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So like it's kind of like a yellow, red, and orange kind of makeup look today. Yeah, so I really hope you enjoy this video, so stay tuned. Also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and because I really appreciate that. And also leave in the comment section any videos that you would like to see from me. And yeah, let's jump right into the video. Okay, so to add a little bit of moisture to my face, I'm going to use this Badescu skincare. It's a facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. Okay, so today I'll be using my Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. Okay, so now I'm going to use this Maybelline Master Strobing Liquid Illuminator. And I've never used this before, so I don't know how it's going to turn out on my face. But I figure it'll just give me a little bit of glow under my foundation. So I'm going to try it out today. And it looks like this. And this one is in the number 200. And it's the Medium Nude Glow. So I'm just going to take a little bit because I don't know how this is going to work. So I took about that much. I'm just going to rub it in, apply it to my highlighted areas. Now I'm going to go into my foundation. Like my holy grail foundation right now is this Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation in Golden Toffee number 14. Now I'm going to go on with my Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation in number 13. This is Chestnut, and this is a shade, one shade down from my foundation that I just used. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this Ruby Kisses lipstick, and this is in Spicy Brown, number S28. I use this as a lipstick, but I also use it as my contour because it is perfect. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Black Opal Deluxe Finishing Powder in the color Medium number 3. And it just looks like this. Go in with my L'Oreal Infallible pressed powder to set the rest of my face, if I can open it. And I'm hit pan on that already. So now I'm gonna take this CoverGirl Queen Collection in Ebony Bronze. Use this as my bronzer. Like, that has a slight shimmer to it. And I'm gonna use this to set my cream contour that I did. Okay, so now I'm going to go with my Black Opal Deluxe Finishing Powder in Deep, and I'm going to add this on top and also to clean up under my contour area. First, I'm going to take my NYX lip liner and I'm going to take Brown Perfection and line my lips. Now I'm going to try this Milani lipstick in Matte Beauty. And it looks like this. Now I'm going to take my Ruby Kisses lip gloss.
She see money all around me.